Alright guys, we have the Redmi Note 8 and we're gonna unbox it now. And charan! Wala pa, joke lang yun. So, in this box we have the case, the user guide, and the warranty card. 1 to 8. And of course, the phone itself.
With case, guys.
Redmi Note 8. Alright. Clear, right? We have 4 cameras, 48 megapixel, 2160p, and in front is 13 megapixel. Alright. Inside the box, we have the USB-C type cord
Type-C
and charger, and of course no more. We're gonna set this aside for a second. Alright, sa side ng phone is yung SIM tray, volume rocker, at saka yung lampot. Sa taas is yung IR blaster, microphone. Sa ilalim, Type-C charger port, speaker grills, and yung headphone jack. Alright, so nakalimutan ko sabihin kanina is meron din siyang available na SIM ejector. Ayan. By the way, we got this from Lazada worth 6,990 na galing sa flash sale. So ayan guys, this is Note 8 Pro and bye! Thank you for watching.